Pepe coin holders? I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe. It's been quite a wild ride. We've been seeing a lot of breaking down, and I think that we're getting ready to find a bottom potentially for Pepe. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So I want to show you over on Twitter. You can follow me at 333Blacksea. I say closed out this trade from the Pepe video I just recorded. High leverage scalping memes have been a lot of fun. So anytime I do a Pepe video, I usually open up a 75x long or short position at the beginning of the video, which I did in this video as well. And we monitor it throughout the video and see what happens, see if we can make some money or get liquidated, basically. But our track record has been pretty good so far. I do a little bit of TA before, and I wait for the right moment to try to catch something on the 1 minute time frames and maybe make I don't know, $100, $200 on a $100 trade. So I'm doing those as well. But guys, I've been hitting these. I am really hitting these XRP. I just had an XRP trade. That's a little bit more sizable. That's like a $3,000 trade. And that's only 3x leverage, looking for a good entry level. But for Pepe, it's like having fun. I like to have fun, especially when I think a bottom is starting to form. I really try to capitalize on that and not just do scalping and just look for potentially a good entry point. And we're going to be taking a look at where Pepe is here. So Pepe right now is flirting with a very important price level. We've been flirting with important price levels for the past, let's measure, really, since we broke down here, really for the past 17 days. And I think that there's a world here where we do break down and we come and test the yellow bullish trend line here at about 4010. Now, I also think that there's a good chance that the bottom is in here. You know, you see a little bit of this happen. You see a wick down here, a second wick down here, double bottom forming, potentially some curvature playing out here, as well as when you look at market cipher down here, you see that the money flow, the green waves are starting to curl up a little bit, but it does look like we need some more time to see the momentum waves, these blue waves here kind of fill out. Maybe it's going to be something like this, and finally hit back over here, and then we start to actually see our big wave to the upside. But regardless, I think we're due for a little bit of chop here. So I do think that we probably will start to bottom out here and make our way back up to test 4012. But really anything below 4012 and really between the range of 4014 and 4012, I am cautious, all right? I'm cautious. But I will say, my danger zone is if we are closing below the yellow bullish trend line, which is sitting at right now 4010. So in the meantime, I'm looking at opportunity here, but we're playing with some fire. I mean, we are doing a 75x long. You don't need to do crazy leverage like that, guys. And I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys what I'm doing, and I put my money where my mouth is. It's as simple as that. And really, when I'm doing these 75x trades, it's for fun. And guys, we are up about $10, about 10% on the trade now. It's a $111 trade. I just scalp. Try to make some good money, try to profit on the way up, profit on the way down, and just accumulate more Bitcoin. The name of the game for me, guys, I always preach this. I am a altcoin trader, and I am a Bitcoin investor. I try to make money leverage trading altcoins, even not always leverage. Sometimes I'll swing trade them as well, just to accumulate my Bitcoin position. Right now, this is doing really well. We're up about 11.28%, about $13 on a $100 trade. That's fantastic. If you guys do want to take advantage of this volatility, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. Sign up for Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus as well as a lot of awesome rewards. They're constantly running these cool promotions where the more trading volume you do, the more rewards you get. It's not even just like a chance at this or a chance at that. It's if you trade X amount, you get X, Y, and Z. You can get a Tesla Model 3 worth about 30 grand as well, just based purely on trading volume. So take advantage of it, guys. There's money to be made during these volatile times. So looking at the overall market, we're at 105,500. We've been pegged at this. It has been quite quiet. The crypto space is crypto Twitter, quiet. The social metrics, quiet. The altcoins, bleeding out versus Bitcoin. You look at Bitcoin dominance, we're at 64%, excluding stablecoins, basically 66%. It's rallying, right? Now, all the money that's coming into the space, more is going into Bitcoin versus altcoins right now. The space is quiet, guys. And you need altcoins to start to rally. You need to see ETH start to rally to see Pepe make a bigger move here. If you look at Pepe, we're at rank 27, down about 4% in the past 7 days, down about 1% in the past 24 hours, and up a little bit, 0.6%. I've been telling you guys, when I do these 75x longs or shorts, I do a little bit of TA before I click the record button, and I saw, there's probably a good opportunity that we get a little bit of a bounce here, and it's it's a game against time because 75x leverage can go up really fast and down really fast. But if you can catch it, by the end of this video, we'll take a look and hopefully we'll still be in the profit and we can make some money live together. So looking at Pepe, we are sitting at a $4.68 billion market cap, okay? In my opinion, I view this as opportunity, especially if Bitcoin holds up its bullish price structure and if Pepe holds its bullish price structure. And right now, it is holding bullish price structure. Pepe is, even though it's bleeding out against Bitcoin. Bitcoin is chopping around. We'll take a look at that shortly. But guys, the bullish price structure is still intact. And I do think that this is an opportunity for Pepe because all-time highs was about $13-14 billion. That's nearly a 3x away from where we're at right here. And I think Pepe is the chosen meme coin. You have James Wynn promoting Pepe. You have all these other huge entities like Elon had a Pepe in it. The crypto president, Trump, he posted a meme with Pepe in the background. It has the most mind share, guys, and I think that will be the frog that flips the dog here. So looking at Bitcoin, yeah, we're chopping around. We're in Q3. Q3 tends to be sluggish and bearish, okay? But guys, we did just wick up and test 110,000 in June, FYI. But I do think that if we don't close above 110K by the end of June, which we have some time, we're only about halfway through, I think that there's a higher likelihood chance that we break down here for a little bit for the rest of Q3, and then we finish off strong in Q4. But my invalidation, like I've been saying, guys, is any closures above 110K by the end of June, I'm going to say, yeah, guys, we're probably getting ready to see a further move to the upside, and we'll probably front run the bullish price action of Q4 in Q3. Because if you look at this on the monthly time frame, like getting a monthly candle closure over 110K will be strength. That will be big. That will be big green candles, okay? If you look at like market cipher green dot over the 60 line on the monthly time frame, on the momentum wave, thick green money flow, RSI is going to the upside. I think that will be setting us up for a very bullish couple months. So I'm really looking at 110K for a monthly candle closure, which we have another 15 days, basically 16 days. So there's a lot of time, all right? And if that does happen, I do expect Pepe to make big moves here. I expect it to reclaim 4 zeros 12 and start to get back in this region of 4 zeros 12 and 4 zeros 14 and probably flip 4 zeros 14 as support and probably make a move towards all-time highs. But guys, let's take a look at the Pepe coin. Yeah, we're up 22% on the trade. I'd like to see it. I'll keep it open. If you guys want to see what I close this out on, then follow me at 333 Black Sea, and I'll post the profit that I take over there so you can see that. So follow me, 333 Black Sea on Twitter. Guys, if you like this type of content, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Are you bullish on Pepe? Or do you think that the crypto market's over? It's only a Bitcoin bull run. I get why people say that, but guys, be patient. All it takes is the Fed to start cutting rates. All it takes is for them to pivot to quantitative easing, have some more money flowing around, have retail feel a little bit less stressed about their day-to-day spending, and next thing you know, altcoins are going to go to the moon. That's all I got, guys. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.